Hi everyone, myself Satya, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In today's class, we are going to have a business model canvas for the company Meesho. Okay, so if you want to start any company, or if you want to become an entrepreneur, so we need to analyze something before starting that, right? So the thing is, there are seven categories we need to analyze it, right? So that is we are going to see one by one. So if you want to purchase in online, so the most priority is Meesho app, right? So compared to the remaining app, how it is better, right? That is the thing we are going to see in today's class. Okay, so the first Meesho, which has revolutionized e-commerce in India, which is going to create a unique platform that is going to bridge the small business with millions of customers through a network of resellers. Okay, through resellers we are going to approach all our consumers, right? So the thing is, we are going to see the value propositions. So value propositions means, so we need to analyze the affordable products for the consumers, right? So there are three things. The first thing is zero investment entry. So for most of the products, they don't offer the delivery charge, right? So this way only they are reaching the consumers frequently, right? So here we are going to aspiring the entrepreneurs that they are going to start the reselling without the inventory or upfront cost. Okay, and the second thing is wholesale prices. So here we have through resellers only we are going to sell all the products, right? So here we are going to access the wholesale pricing from the manufacturers, that is going to enable the competitive retail margins. The third thing is mobile first platform. So the main reason is through mobile it is going to approach many number of consumers, right? So in intuitive app which is going to design for easy product, and it is going to share and order the management and mobile devices. And the next thing is customer segments. Okay, what are the segments for customers? Okay, that is the thing we are going to see here. So which is going to aspire the entrepreneur and the homemaker, and which is budget friendly also, right? So the thing is reseller entrepreneurs. So here there are 15 million resellers, which is going to include the students, homemakers, small business owners. They are going to seek the supplemental income through this. Okay, and the second thing is which is budget shoppers. So compared to the remaining platform, right? So which is very very budget friendly. So price which is going to sensitive the consumers looking for affordable fashion, electronics and household products with 20 to 40% savings compared to the remaining things. And the next thing is small manufacturers. So we'll have small factors that is going to the direct access to millions of customers without any distribution cost. Okay, and the next thing is channels, through which channel we are going to approach our consumers, right? So there are three categories. The first category is through mobile applications. So nowadays all are having mobile. Without mobile, we cannot see any person, right? So through mobile application, so it is a main platform, which is the primary platform with Android and some applications which is going to feature the intuitive interface for browsing and ordering and tracking the sales. Everything we can done through the mobile application, right? And the second thing is social media integration. So here we are going to have seamless products through sharing via WhatsApp, Facebook and Insta, which is going to build the personal customer networks. And the third thing is community network. So here we are going to have the viral growth through reseller communities and referral programs, that is going to expand it user based exponentially. And the next thing is customer relationship. So here we need a main thing is we should have a relation with the customer or consumer, right? So then only we can develop our company, right? So the first thing is community building. So and the second thing is dedicated support. We should have a continuous support, right? And the third thing is reseller training. So in the first case, dedicated support, which means 24/7 we will have the customer service. Okay, they will have a chat or call for order, if you have any issues, or if you want to have any queries. Okay, 24/7, which is available, right? And the second thing is training programs. So we'll have regular webinars and tutorials and best practices, which is going to improve the reseller success rates. And the third thing is community engagement. So active forums and successive story, which is going to share it in the motivation, and which is going to have a knowledge exchange, right? And then the last thing is performance incentives, how they are performing, right? Based on that also we will have some incentive, so which is also a main thing, I think, right? So which is going to recognize the programs and the bonus rewards for top performing the resellers monthly. Okay, and the next thing is key activities. So what are the key activities we are having in our startup, right? So the first thing is platform development. So we need to develop our platform, and we'll have some acquisition, and we'll have some training sessions. And the next thing is logistic management. So financially also it will develop, right? Then only we can maintain our company. So the first thing is technology development. So here we need to have continuous platform enhancement with new features, AI recommendations, and improve. Okay, day by day we will to have some offers, right? They are offering some right. So based on that also we will have choose the platform, right? In which platform we need to order those things, right? So reseller onboarding. So here we have the streamlined registration and the verification processes that is going to rapidly expand the reseller network across the India. And the last thing is logistic coordination. So here we are going to manage the partnership with delivery partners, and which is going to ensure the timely product fulfillment. And the next thing is key resources. So here we will have technology platform, that is the infrastructure, and the network of resellers, that is reseller network. So actually we will have 15 million resellers we are having, right? And the data analytics. So here also we will have the AI driven insights on customer preferences and inventory optimization, and the personalized recommendations. Okay, the last thing is key partners. So key partners, we will have manufacturers, logistic providers, payment gateways. So there are three cases. The first thing is manufacturers and brands. So here we will have direct partnership with 1 lakh plus suppliers, and which is going to ensure the authentic products at wholesale prices. And the second thing is logistic partners. So it is going to collaborate with the major countries like delivery Arshin Proct for nationwide delivery coverage. Okay, and the third thing is payment gateways. So through which platform we are going to have a payment, right? So we'll know, right? Paytm, Razopay, and Phone Pay. So there are seamless secure transactions we are having. And the next thing is revenue system. So what are the ways we are going to get the revenue? So 10% through transaction commissions we are getting, and 25% from value added service, which is going to revenue from premium features like priority shipping and marketing tools, right? And the third thing is 15%, which is going to advertise. So how the brand promotions and feature placements, which is going to from the manufacturers and the sellers. Okay, so the cost structure, so technology infrastructure we are going to have 35%. So from that the servers, cloud services, app development, and platform maintenance cost, and 20%, which is from employee compensation, so salaries for technology and operations and customer support. And the third thing is marketing acquisition, which is for 30%, and logistics subsidies, which is for 15%. So we need to analyze each and everything if we want to start a business or if you want to become an entrepreneur. So these are the categories which will help to reach our goal, right? Thank you, guys.